So look at this. This is a broccoli, proper broccoli, and look at this, guys. They not even grow. It's already full of bites. See? And plenty of larvae on them. See? Not larvae. Like we're getting crazy eating them, you know. So as you can see, like very, very small of them. I don't know, it didn't make this year as well. There is more. So you have to give them seaweed solution on this one. Otherwise they eat all your leaves. So this one, that's some more larvae. They eat like a vampire, really hungry caterpillar. When they turn, see this one here, the eggs in them. Where's the other? See, there's a lot of eggs in this one. Yeah, you have to carefully looking after them, otherwise they'll eat it in one day. See this one here, very small larva. So I put water on for our kale. Red and pink and green. So the seaweed solution though, it's really good. It's helping this. Not much attacked. Probably they hate the smell. They're getting water now to flush out with this larva thing. I'm not sure if they're going to give me thing this year as well. It looks like the weather is crazy. So it didn't develop heads again. So I think I may pull this with old leaves again like last year. So I give myself another chance. If I can't do it again, I will repeat it again next time. Maybe next time will be early. I'll see. I'll give up, you know, until I get what I studied for. Cheers, everyone. See the kale there, the food.